Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today I'm going to show you how to create DTF files for production. So we can see that we've got a proof approved order right here. So we're going to find this order number in Corebridge, or in the farm under CB orders. We're going to go into the work files and you're going to find the latest revision for the product that you're exporting. This R number right here will show you all of the revisions. So if you see an R1, R2, you're going to want to grab the one that has the highest number. You're going to open that in Illustrator. So you can see we've got our full-size art over here off to the side, and these are at the same sizes that are in the proof, so these are ready to export. I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it over here into my asset export, and it'll just drop it in there. And then I'm going to create my file name for it, which is going to be the order number. And if there were multiple products, then you would do -1 or -2 for those different product numbers. Placement for this is the left chest. So I'm going to do LC, and there's a placement reference right here so you can see all of those codes. Then for the size, it's a 3.5 inch left chest, so I'm going to do 3-5. You want to make sure you're never putting periods in the file names because it can make it so that they won't open. And then we're going to change the customer name to match the customer name in the order and on the proof. And I'm just going to do Control A and Control C to select all and copy it all. And then I'm going to paste it in here. Next I'm going to move on to the back. Same thing, dragging it over. I'm going to replace this with a B for back. And then this one is 12 inches wide. Same thing, Control A, Control C, and then I'll paste it in here. Then down here at your export settings, you want to make sure you're set up as PNG. And then if the suffix loads in when you change to PNG, you're going to want to backspace it so that there's nothing in this box. And then scale, you're going to go to resolution, and you're going to make sure that it's at 1200. Then you're going to click on one, and if you've got multiple to export, you can hold Control and click on the others as well. And you're going to hit export. And so you can see we're in the work files for this order, so we're going to go up a layer and then into the production files. We're going to hit select folder, and that will export them into the production files. From this work file folder, we're also going to take the JPEG proof for that latest revision, and we're going to put that in production as well so they can print their box label. The next step, we're going to go back to Corebridge, and we can see that these are not labeled as CSM. If they're labeled as CSM, that means the customer is going to supply the garments, so we'll move our product status to receiving. But these ones are not labeled that way, so we are going to purchase the garments. So I'm going to update all products, and I'm going to change these to ready to purchase. And now you've exported your files and set it up for purchasing.